What's going on, family? It's your man, Miami Patron, back for another video. Coming to you from beautiful San Diego, California. What we're gonna be talking about in this video is right about this book. Why you watched The Secret. Why you watched The Secret, or you read The Secret, the book that I have right here. We're really talking about that. Why you read this book and watched the movie and nothing manifested into your life. Guys, that's what we're gonna be talking about. Why nothing manifested, and actually how to begin manifesting the things you want into your life. Whether you want to manifest wealth, money, position, whether you want to manifest love, relationship, a spouse, or whether you want to manifest health, good health, prosperity. All of that is true. And this video is to show it with you, to actually bring some value to you in the form that yes, you do believe in law of attraction. Yes, you do believe in something called the law of vibration. You have to understand this. So make sure you stay for this video so you understand the law of vibration, because you can't have the law of attraction without the law of vibration. So you believe in this stuff, you tried it, and nothing worked. All right, guys, if that was you, you're watching this video and you're understanding what it is, guys, that was me. I read The Secret. I actually haven't read the book yet. I just picked up the book. But I watched the movie years ago, and I thought it was really cool. It got me really excited, got me really pumped up. And I would write, and I would think about my goal. I would try to manifest it, and nothing really happened. A week went by, 2 months, and then after a while, it kind of just swindles away. You just stop thinking about the goal, right? And you just think, well, I don't know how to manifest. Or even if you've seen The Secret, you probably know this book right here, Think and Grow Rich. And in chapter 2 on desire, there's actually a particular step I want to show you right here. Mine is all written up, right? So there's six steps, right, that Napoleon Hill talks about in this book, right, to build desire and to build your goal. And you probably wrote out your desire, wrote out your goal, very specific, read it first thing in the morning, last thing at night, specifically like how he told you to do it in this book. You did it for maybe a month, maybe a couple weeks, and then you stopped doing it, and then your goal swindled away. If either one of those scenarios relate to you, you're in the right place, because that was me. I listened to The Secret. I would think about my goal. I would try to manifest, and then after a while, nothing happened, and I forgot it. I read this book probably 3 or 4 or 5 times, and nothing really happened. Right? And then I started working with my mentor, Bob Proctor. For those of you that don't know, I am a consultant with Bob Proctor. I help people manifest their goals and their dreams, manifesting mastery. And when I work with Bob, he told me the missing link between thinking about my goal, manifesting it, and actually turning it into its physical equivalent. He bridged the gap between actually manifesting it. And guys, in this video right here, we're gonna talk about how to do that. Before we even talk about manifesting our goals in these books right here, we have to understand one important thing. You gotta know how the mind works. So I have this nice little visual that I'm gonna show you guys. And let me tell you this, 99% of the world will never see this and have never seen it. So you taking the time to watch this video right now will change your life. So here what you're looking at is you. Yes, that is you. That is you in the stick form in its most raw potential. So before you understand how manifestation works and the law of attraction works, law of vibration, you have to understand yourself. Because when you understand yourself, everything will fall into place. So this is you, right? You got your head. The bigger circle here represents your head. The lower, smaller circle represents your body. So the body is actually a physical manifestation of your mind. Your mind is the controller. Your body is the instrument. So there's 2 parts of your mind. You have your conscious mind and you have your subconscious mind, okay? So, and then you have your body right here. So your conscious mind, this is the mind that school focuses on, right? Reading books, going to seminars, thinking about your goal. This is your thinking mind. It's your educated mind. It's where your intellect is at. And in your subconscious, by the way, your subconscious controls 96% of your habits, and it's your emotional mind. Okay, in your consciousness, you have the ability to choose. Right now, watching this video, you are using your intellectual mind. You have the ability to accept or reject anything that I'm saying right now. You see, but the reason that you're sticking out this video is because it's your emotional mind that I'm tapping into right now. Is because you know how it feels to sit there and try to manifest the goal. You think about it, you put a lot of energy into it, you see it happen, or you see it in your mind happen, but it doesn't really quite materialize in the physical world. Okay, you have the ability to accept or reject and originate new ideas in the conscious mind. So why am I showing you this? You see, when we watch the movie The Secret, or we read the book Think and Grow Rich, we are filling our intellectual mind. But the problem is 96% of our habits are controlled by something called our paradigm. I'm going to get to that in a second. So before we understand where the paradigm is a multitude of habits. A paradigm is a group of thoughts that are lodged within your subconscious mind that control your behavior. So as you see here in the subconscious mind, your subconscious mind does not have the ability to does not have the ability to reject. It must accept anything that's impressed upon it. It cannot determine the difference between that which is real and that which is imagined. Okay? So this is you today. So here you are, you watch the movie The Secret, you're really excited, you're thinking about manifesting your goal, you're watching other YouTube videos, okay? So what happens is you are filling your conscious mind, right? And other things that are in your external environment are also filling up your mind on a daily basis. Advertisements, radio, other people's thoughts, TV, news, all these different things are filling up your conscious mind. But remember, only 4% of our daily habits are controlled by our intellectual mind. So even though you listen to the book and you understand it, you read Think and Grow Rich and you understand it, that doesn't mean you're actually applying it in the way it's supposed to happen. And I'm going to show you exactly how the manifestation works. Because that's where your reason, that's where your thinking mind is at. It's right there in your consciousness. If we were to take away your conscious mind, what would be exposed is something called your paradigm. Now, like I mentioned earlier, your paradigm is a multitude of habits that is lodged right here in your subconscious mind. Your paradigm controls the way you dress. It controls your income. It controls your weight. It controls the relationships that you're attracting to your life. It controls your family, how you present yourself on social media, online, whether you are extroverted or introverted. See, all these things, all these ideas were lodged in your subconscious mind through those sources I just told you earlier. And you see, this paradigm controls the things that you manifest into your life. Within your paradigm is a self-image. This image here controls whatever it is that you're trying to manifest. So if you're trying to manifest money into your life, within your subconscious mind is an image of how much you think you are worth. It's like a thermostat. Think of your paradigm as a thermostat. It controls the temperature. Whether if you open up a room and it's cold outside, see, the furnace is gonna kick on when the thermostat reads that the room is too cold. And it brings it back to the temperature that it's supposed to be set at, room temperature. You see, your paradigm, your self-image does the same exact thing. That's why when you listen to the movie The Secret and you read Think and Grow Rich and you were thinking about your goal and nothing really manifested, this is exactly what was happening. You see, you were using your intellectual mind to try to manifest things into its physical counterpart. Earl Nightingale said, "We become what we think about." But you see, but they were missing a little key here. They're missing a little key. And that key was this. You have to impress the image of what it is that you want to manifest onto your subconscious mind using emotion. Using emotion. Just simply thinking about your goal is not going to bring that goal into manifestation. You see, I would listen to The Secret and I would read Think and Grow Rich over and over and over again. I would read chapter 2. I would read my goal first thing in the morning, last thing at night. I would listen to my goal and nothing manifested. You know why? It's because I was using my intellectual mind. You see, when you look at the stick figure like this, you understand that you have a subconscious that controls your income and everything that you want to manifest. And that controls 96% of the things that come into your life and the way you live your life. Now that you know how the manifestation process actually works, the next logical question is this: how can I use this material to begin manifesting the things that you want into your life? Whether it's health, wealth, relationships. You need to fix a clear image of what it is that you want. You need to have an image, a detailed image. You take that image and you use repetition over and over and over and over again, and you begin impressing that image onto your subconscious mind. You see, you think about your goal, but it's important that you visualize your goal. Remember, the subconscious mind does not have the ability to accept or reject. So if you begin visualizing in great detail that which you want to manifest, Your subconscious mind must accept that. And the ideas that most dominate your subconscious mind form a vibration. Now, this is the law of vibration. Anything that's on that same frequency as your thoughts, you will begin to attract into your life. I actually did a video on this prior. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Check out that video. I talked about the law of vibration. So the idea that most dominates your subconscious mind forms a vibration, and things are going to begin attracting to it the same things that are on that frequency. And that's actually how the law of attraction works. You're going to attract things that are on the frequency of your subconscious mind. You read Think and Grow Rich and nothing manifested? That was the reason why. You did not fix clearly the image that you wanted. You did not have the image of the thing you wanted to manifest. And you did not use emotion to plant that into your subconscious mind. Because when you do that with repetition, through the law of vibration, anything that is on that same frequency as your thoughts, you begin manifesting and attracting into your life via the law of attraction. Guys, hope you got a lot of value from this video. Guys, I work with Bob Proctor and I teach people how to manifest the things they want in life. Is it more money, a position, status, wealth, health, relationship? I teach people partnered up with Bob Proctor. Bob Proctor is the coach and I am the facilitator. So if you want to learn more about how to master manifestation, I have a program partnered up with Bob Proctor where we teach people how to get clear on a goal, how to actually use the laws of the universe to manifest anything that you want. Guys, hope you guys got a lot of value from this video. Make sure you subscribe below so you see more content like this. I'll see you guys next time. Miami Patron out.